Hi, how are you?
What's my name? Say my name.
What's that?
What's my name? Say my name.
Oh no, you need to tell me what your name is.
No, you're supposed to tell me what my name is so I don't get into a stranger's car.
Oh, what's your name?
No, I can't tell you that.
Okay, can you just tell me what my name is?
Why?
You can look at check the license plate and it'll match up on your phone.
Okay, but you could just tell me my name.
Well, you could be a stranger, like you could be the wrong passenger. Like there could be I could have the wrong one.
Okay, so if you say my name, then I'd know that. Well, what's your name?
But like anybody could say that it's your name. So like that's what I mean. So you got to say my name.
But you could say, huh? Okay, whatever. I don't care. I'll just get it. And that was annoying though, so you're probably gonna get a 1-star review, but.
A 1-star?
We can go. Yeah. My name's Patricia, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I have it on the app.
Okay, yeah, and you're Daniel, so it's fine. It's
okay. Just put your seatbelt on, please.
I actually don't do that.
You don't do that?
I don't. Okay, jeez. Oh, 0-star review.
I need 5-star. If I get one more low rating, I'm literally getting deactivated. Hi, did you order an Uber Black?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's that?
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
No, say my name.
No, say my name.
No. You need to tell me what your name is.
I want to feel secure in here.
Just say like our name and like
yeah.
What?
Say my
Just
name.
say our names.
I'm not saying your name.
Why?
Because you need to say my name. You could be
No, you need to say my name. I asked you first.
I feel like that's what a kidnapper would do.
Right?
Just say my
Like,
name
I'm
and you're not a
scared.
kidnapper.
Yeah, like just say your name.
No, that's not how it works. You can check the license plate in the back and make sure.
I don't know if you like kidnap the other dude or something like that and like
What?
get into the car.
Facts.
What are you
right?
talking about?
That's
Period.
what's happening lately.
Yeah.
So can you
It's been
please just
happening
say our
lately.
names?
No, we're not doing this.
We're not doing what?
You can tell me what your name is.
I feel real unsafe in here.
Then get a
Like, if
new
you don't
ride.
say-
Get a new Uber then.
We already paid for this
Yeah.
Uber.
You
The
can
least
cancel
do is
it.
say our name.
That's not how it
The
works.
least you can do is say our
That's
name.
not how it
Oh
works.
my God.
That's
You're just trying to get a free, like, I don't know.
No, I'm
Yeah,
not.
what are you trying
You're
to
the
do,
one
you
trying to
creep?
scam
I
us.
want to make sure
Yeah,
I have
you're
the
trying to
correct
scam us.
passenger. You could be anybody.
Say my name or we're gonna
You
report
realize
you
you could be anybody.
Say our names or
Yeah.
we will report you. 'Cause you're
If I
obviously
say
trying
your
to
name,
scam us.
anybody could just say yes. Don't you realize that?
What?
Anybody on the street could get in, and I will say, "Oh, you're
You can pick
you're
up
Kristen,"
anybody
and
you
they'd be
want
like,
to.
"Yeah." You don't have to get in the car. Check the license
We're the
plate.
females. We're in more danger
Yeah.
than you are.
Exactly.
Oh my God, feminist
I
101.
can get pregnant and you can't.
I can get pregnant too.
Facts.
Males can get pregnant. You ever heard of a C-section? Or
Yeah, but can you get pregnant right now?
And why are you getting off topic? Because you don't want
Yeah.
to say our name?
You guys can get out.
Honest.
Just
We're
say
not
our
doing
name.
this. We're not doing this.
Our
No, we
names.
already paid for this.
I'm reporting guys
We're
to
not
Uber.
getting out.
No,
You guys
we're
are
we're giving you 1 star if you don't take us to our destination.
And say our names. Like, literally just say
Yeah.
our names. That's all
Get
we're
out of my
asking
car.
for.
We're not doing this. We're done. Get out.
We're not leaving.
Get. Oh my God.
We're not going to let you do this to someone else and kidnap someone
Exactly.
I guess we're
you
sitting
might as
here.
well just kidnap us.
else. Right? Just say
Yeah.
our names.
Just get
our
out of
names.
my car now. Get
Not
out.
until you say our names.
I'm not saying your names. You need to say my name.
Just, please just say the name.
You want me to call 911?
Call 911.
Yeah, call them.
They're going to
Because
ask you who's in your car.
Yeah,
Hopefully then
exactly.
you'll say our names.
You're the one.
Exactly.
No,
Or you're
you
gonna
guys
be,
are sitting in my
two
car.
innocent girls in my car.
Exactly. We're gonna
Please
say there's 2
come.
girls in my car and
I
they don't
just
want to get
canceled
out.
the ride. I canceled the ride. You guys can get out. I'm not doing
Wow.
this
Are
today.
you kidding me?
Are you
Yeah,
serious right
you can
now?
go back into
Just
your.
because, like, we figured out you're going to kidnap us? You
Yeah,
cancel?
figured out
What are
you're
you
a creep.
Get out of my car.
Yeah, you're gonna get canceled for that. Did you know
Right,
that?
so we just outed you.
I don't
right
care.
now.
I don't
Yeah.
do the.
Just outed
I don't do the
I'm gonna
internet.
call Uber support.
Call
Yes.
Uber. Call whoever
Yeah,
you
I'm
want.
gonna do that and tell them that there's a kidnapper inside this
And he
car.
wouldn't say our name.
I don't even know whose
Literally.
car this is. Did you steal it or something?
Right?
It literally shows in the app that you have the car.
Yeah, but you could have stolen the
Yeah.
license plate.
What are you talking about? Who
Exactly.
does that?
A
People
lot
that
of
want to
people.
kidnap people.
Yeah,
They wanna get caught.
exactly. Exactly.
Just get out of my car. You can order a new ride. You guys are worst passengers of all
Oh
time.
my God, you're
I have you on
you're
recording.
ridiculous.
I'm
You're
sending.
such a kidnapper.
Hello for Uber.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Wait, can you say my name?
What?
Can you say my name?
No, you need to tell me what your name is.
No, you need to tell me what my name is off the Uber app.
Well, you're supposed to confirm with me your name. So-
No, can you say my name, please?
No, that's not how it works. Like, you can check.
Yeah, that is how it works. Say my name off of the Uber app.
No, like, you can. That's.
No, what?
You
say
need
my
to tell
name
me what
so
you-
I know that you're my driver.
Are you okay? What's wrong?
You're about to kidnap me. That's what's wrong.
No, you do even check the license plate to make sure it's the right car?
No, you need to say my name so I know that you are my Uber driver.
Oh my gosh. Are we really doing this today?
Yeah, what is it?
You need to tell me what your name is.
Can you just go? Do you know where we're going at least?
You need to confirm. This is how it works. You confirm with me your destination. So,
Angelina, can we go? Is that the name on the Uber app?
yeah, it is. But like, can you please tone your voice
So do
down?
you know where we're going?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, let's get going then.
Okay, please put on your seatbelt.
No.
Okay, can you at least rate me 5 stars on this
You're
ride?
getting 1 star. Be grateful for that.
I'm kicking you out. We're not doing this. You can walk or order another rider or other driver. Can you please get out? Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening to what you're saying.
Get out of my car.
1 second.
For what? What? You just canceled the ride?
Bye.
Oh my gosh.